Sipping lean, caffeine with codeine. I'm smoking nicotine. PCP, pills in my cuisine. I'm fucking Drake this way. Risk dismay, suicide, renegade. Pop a couple waves up in my grave. Carving my skin with a blade. I don't fuck with squillers, no drug dealer. Stealer with the sealer. Slicker that always wreck. Bitch get checked. Great 5-9 to set. Chop 'em, make 'em wet. Watch me flex. Y'all just second best. Never second guess. Manifest. Triple six to death.
Alright, what's up YouTube?
What's brackin'?
Welcome to the Doozy Lifestyle channel. Today we're going to be talking about 5 things I hate about my Honda Civic Si. So a little background about my car. I drive a 9th gen 2015 Honda Civic Si. I love the car. I bought this car for a reason, and that's because I enjoy this car, and I hope you guys do too. And whatever car you guys choose, you guys enjoy it. So let's start it off.
Yeah, let's go.
Alright, number 1, first thing I don't like about this car. So the things that I'm going to be talking about is, I see a lot of videos, and the thing that I did when I first wanted to buy this car was I looked up videos and 5 things people hate about their car. Some people said that the car was underpowered and 205 horsepower. Well, I knew that before I bought the car. All you had to do is check the specs, 205 horsepower, boom, I got my answer. So I'm going to tell you guys things that I saw and found out after I started driving the car. Hopefully that helps you guys in buying this car, or if you guys already have this car, some things will help you guys out. Alright, so number 1 is the seats. So I got only on my driver's side, but there's like little stains, white stains on the seat, and it's a little odd just because, you know, I don't work in a dirty construction job or anything that would make my seats messy, and you know, it's just getting these white stains out of nowhere. Easy fix, all I have to do is clean them, but it was just odd to me. So that's one thing I don't like about the car.
Yeah, they just show up like they're there. It's not a real stain, but it's a stain, so it's just weird.
Just another headache. Number two would have to be the armrest. So when I'm shifting, I have my elbow resting on the armrest. This armrest is as hard as a rock, and when my elbow's on it, it's just not a comfortable feeling. Is it a big deal? Probably not. Is it a big deal to you guys? I don't know. You let me know in the comments below. But for me, it's a little annoying, and you know, I haven't really looked up a fix just because it's not that big of a deal, but you do notice it when you're driving. So that'll be my number 2. Number 3. My number 3 would have to be the clutch. So obviously the SI is a sports car, if you would say. Not really, just because the clutch is so mushy and it's so soft that it just doesn't have that aggressive feel that I would like. Obviously you can upgrade it to, you know, stage 2, stage 3 clutch. If you have the money, you can fix it, but I eventually want to do that in the future. But for right now, coming stock, it's not something I enjoy. It's just too mushy for me. So that would be my number 3. Number 4 would have to be the bushings. So I bought this car, and the bushings, it was just too loose. You know, you go into first gear or whatever gear, and it almost feels like you're in neutral, and it's not a good feeling when you feel like you're in neutral when you're in gear. So what I did was I bought an Acuity bushing. Justin here helped me out installing that the first week I bought the car, because it wasn't a good feeling.
Had to do it right away.
We had to do it right away, man. And the Acuity bushing was day and night for this car. I'm in gear and there's no play at all, and it feels great. Can you agree to that?
No, yeah, definitely driving his car from before and then after, you can just feel how precise shifting was. Right to gear, no play. It was just spot on. A better feel when you're driving daily, racing, just knowing where you're at. Definitely the Acuity bushings were a great upgrade. I couldn't say anything bad about them. I know my girlfriend actually has an FG2, and we're definitely going to want to do those bushings, do that install very soon. And I know K-Tune and a couple other brands have the bushings, but just because the acuities are so good, I would just stick to the acuities. I think they were $70, right?
$70.
$70. Put them in. Quick, easy install. Maybe take like 20 minutes just because you have to take the intake off, but
yeah,
definitely worth it.
Cheap mod. Anybody can do it. Easy fix. You know,
Yeah.
it just takes, 20-30 minutes, and you got a new bushing, and it feels great. So I suggest you guys do that if you're going to buy this car, or if you already have this car, I suggest you do that. I would definitely install that right away. And then the last mod, number 5, or the last nitpicky thing, I'm sorry, would be the carbon fiber on the dash right near the navigation screen. The only reason why I don't like it is it's not real carbon fiber. So in my opinion, is if it's not real carbon fiber, I think you should just not do it at all. They should have just kept it all black, just like everything else in the interior, and you know, it would have been nice. It does look nice.
No, it looks awesome to me, but I agree with Rami. You know, it's not real carbon fiber. But shoot, that's the best looking fake carbon fiber I've seen, and it does look good though, in my opinion.
But yeah, so I just think if it's not real, don't put it at all. It would have just been just fine with just black interior. So those are the 5 things. And anything you'd like to add as somebody who rode in the car and drove the car?
It's an awesome car. If you're looking to buy this car, these 5 things should not turn you away from buying the car. Any car you're gonna have is gonna have 5 things or more wrong with the car, and these are just little things. This is actually an awesome car. I love the car.
Yeah, guys, so if you're gonna buy this car, there's gonna be some hate, there's gonna be some good people out there. Ignore the hate. I drive this car because I truly enjoy this car. I like Honda, I like the SI. It's just a fun car to me. Good on gas, reliable, and you can have some fun with it. And you can always mod this car to your liking. You know, so everyone's saying it's underpowered, this and that. Well, if you put time into your car and you build this car, you'll have what you want. So it just takes some time and money, but you gotta enjoy the journey, and you gotta enjoy the ride. So, and that's what I did.
Yeah.
All right, guys. So those are the 5 things I hate about my SI. Next up, we're gonna be doing
the Nismo.
Yeah, so we're going to do 5 things
Nismo
he hates about his Nismo. He drives a Nissan 370Z Nismo, and that's going to be the next video we have coming up. So I hope you guys enjoy. Like and subscribe. Let us know in the comments, you know, what you guys like and what you guys don't like. I hope you guys like the cinematic in the beginning of the video. Let us know. You know, we don't take criticism. You know, we don't take it too bad. So if you guys think we did something bad or could do better, let us know.
Yeah, definitely help us out, you know, so we can make better videos and bring you guys better stuff. So
yeah, for sure. That's what we enjoy doing. So look forward to more. What do we got coming up?
Ooh, we got the month of November. We got 2 big meets coming up.
2 meets, and it's gonna be a fun video to record.
Yeah,
so.
we live in South Florida, if you guys didn't know.
Yeah, sunny South Florida. All right, guys. Keep it doozy.
Keep it doozy.
And on to the next one.
All right, like and subscribe.
Peace.